Yep. All right. This didn't go into too. It wasn't tough. It wasn't difficult. Too difficultly, I guess you'd call it. I did have to have a friend that helped me guide it in so I could do the motor mounts. Those are pretty easy. And I actually had to take off the gear shift selector, lever, or whatever you call it, thing, in order to get it threaded through. And I had to take off that thing. Is that light on? Yeah. That thing, which will go back on here. I've got a surface to kind of unfuck. Had some sort of a seal from way back when, probably original to the car. And you can see some of the areas that I definitely painted over it when I painted my chassis. Aside from that, everything looks great. I mean, that's such a beautiful goddamn engine. Oh, I do face some questions here. As you can see, that is the transmission mount. That little trapezoidal, is it heptagon, head? That's something there. And I have to. I know I've got to do surgery to the cross member, but I'm not sure how far. And so forth. Definitely, those ears have to come off. I've not tied down the motor mount, so I'm going to be able to swing this up a little bit. I'll move it forward and put some straps on it, jack it up gently, and do what I need to do. If I understand how this thing sits correctly, I've got to have that yoke and that yoke at the same perpendicular plane, roughly. At the same plane, not perpendicular to each other, but you see what I'm saying. I've got research to do. I've got time, so boy, I'm just looking at my body over there and other pieces and thinking I'm so close to putting it all together. I mean, I'm just so pleased with this engine. I've got to repair here. Yeah, that's really fucked up there. I'm going to replace this entire piece, I think. So what's left in me tonight? I'm not going to touch that until I do some research. I've got the entire cross member from the MGB that Dick gave me, but I've also... Oh man, my back is killing me today. I'm going to clean up that surface and clean up the bolts. They were a bitch to get out because they had so much paint on them. And then put that, whatever the thing's called, back on. I'll put a bead of caulk around the entire thing so it seals, so I'm not worried about any water or gas getting in. And go from there, I guess. Yep.